Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm here again with a new laptop. This one is an HP Pavilion G7 and this applies for any G7 models. I'm going to show you guys in this video, as you guys requested, how to upgrade or replace your RAM if you want to add or replace your RAM. So simply flip over the laptop, remove the battery by pulling this slider and remove the battery. Next, you want to loosen up the two screws right on the bottom cover. They have a C-lock protection on them on the other side, so they won't come out, so you can only loosen them up. So go ahead and do that. Once you loosen up the screws, you want to grab a guitar pick or any kind of pick, or you can just use a spatula, whatever you want. Just stick it underneath in between here and just lift it up. You're gonna hear some cracking, that's fine. Those are the clips that they have. Once you remove the bottom cover, right here you're gonna see the two RAM slots that you have, one right on top of each other. If you want to replace the RAM, you just have to pull these two triggers apart, and the RAM is just gonna flip up just like that. And you want to remove the RAM, you don't want to yank it upward, you want to remove it in 45-degree angle, just like that. That's one. The second RAM, same way. Move the clips and remove the RAM. Now you can swipe the RAMs or clean the pins on the RAMs with an alcohol if you have faulty connectors. And you can just put it back in 45-degree angle and just push it down. 45-degree angle and push it down. And the last thing will be put the bottom cover. For putting the bottom cover, you want to put this end of the cover. You're gonna see this big huge dents right here. You want to put them, align them on the front end of the laptop, and then the rest is gonna be pushed down only. You're gonna hear those clicks, and next you just tighten up the screws and you'll be done. Alright guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, click that thumbs up button. And if you have any question or request, just ask them in the comments. And I'll see you guys in my next video.